Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vela for anybody that is new, and if you are new, then welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this sultry pink smoky eye look. It is my more dramatic look for Valentine's Day, even though the last look was pretty dramatic as well, but this is a little more sultry and smoky looking. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you want to see how I got this look, then please continue to keep watching. If you have not done so, before you go, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, and make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And I hope you guys enjoy this, even though I already said that. So I will see you guys in the next one, and let's go ahead and jump in and get started. Okay, so for today's look, we're going to be pulling out the Nikita and Morphe palette once again and using the shade Sakura for our transition shade and placing that all into the crease area. As you guys see, I obviously love this palette very, very much, and you can use it for all kinds of looks. So that's what we're doing today. And then after we use the transition shade, we're going to jump in with the shade Nasty. And we're going to start placing that on the lid area and building that up. It does, at least for me, I can't speak for everybody else, but for me, anytime I place matte eyeshadows down, I'm trying to like pack on that color. I don't know if I'm using the wrong brush or what I'm doing, but I have to go in several times to like really get that color built up to the pigmentation that I'm looking for. So I'm going to place that all on the lid area and start blending it up into the cut crease with that same brush and just really packing it on. I'm not really so much blending just yet because I'm trying to create that pigment that I'm looking for, and then I'll go in and start blending it out in a little bit. But right now we're just focusing on building up that shade. Moving on from there, we're going to go in with the shade Nikita, and we're going to use our blending brush and start blending that out into the crease area and just really like making sure those shades blend together. And again, I'm going to go back and forth just to make sure the pigmentation is built up and looking nice and what's the word I'm looking for? Vibrant. There we go. So we're going to go in with that and start blending it out. And this is a look that's going to be a lot of back and forth, but trust the process and know that the back and forth is going to be worth it. So once I get that shade built up, I'll go back in with the shade Nasty here in a second. I kind of got ahead of myself, but I'll go back in with the shade Nasty and packing that back onto the lid area because I'm really trying to get that black to really be black, just like the other eye's looking. For the most part, this eye look is pretty simple. It's just a lot of back and forth, but I really like how this turned out because I had like that pink smokiness I really add for the Valentine's Day effect, and I was vibing with it. So we're going to go back in again with that shade Nikita and just again blend everything out and build up that color to make sure no pigmentation is lost throughout the process. Then we're going to take a makeup wipe and clean up the fallout, or not fallout, but sharpen up the eye look and give that nice little winged effect. And then I did my face makeup off camera, and I'll go ahead and link my face makeup routine for you guys down below in the description box. Then we're going to take the shade Nasty and tight line the lower lash line and blend it out with the shades Nikita and Sakura mixed together. Then I'm going to go back in with the shade Nasty to really make sure that black is still standing out and popping. It really gives definition to the waterline area. And then I'm going to take the eyeliner pencil from Urban Decay, and it's in the shade Woodstock, and use that for my waterline. And then I'm going to be breaking out my Makeup Revolution blush palette again for this look, and making my own little concoction per usual with my blushes, and then using that for my blush. That's one thing I love about blush palettes, is like you can literally just mix a bunch of shades together and create your own little blush shade, and I absolutely love that so much. Then for highlight, I'm going to be going in with my Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder, and this is in the shade Blossom Glow, and I'm going to be using that for my highlight today. I haven't used this highlight in a while, and I forgot how much I loved it. It's like such a pretty highlight. It's not too powdery. Like, it looks like it's just, you know, glassy skin, I guess. I don't know. Like, I just love the effect it was giving. It's not like it's a pink tint, but like obviously it's not extremely pink. It's very natural and wearable, but I just loved how it looked. It's like that beaming highlight, but not blinding highlight. It was giving me the look I was going for. I absolutely loved how that highlight came together with this look. Then for the inner corner, I'm going to go in with the shade Sakura and Nikita mixed together, and I'm going to put that in the inner corner and pack that shade on. Not too much, but just enough for that pink to kind of stand out a little bit. And then I'm going to go over on top of that with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter, the one that I just used for my face highlight, just to make sure that highlight really stands out. That's why I placed the base background first before going in with the highlight itself. Then I'm going to use that same highlight for my brow bone highlight. Then we're going to go ahead and curl the lashes and start applying some mascara. This is my Maybelline, is it Maybelline? It's Maybelline mascara, and I'll link it down below for you guys. I always link all the products down below that I use, just FYI. And for the lower lash line, I'm using my Wet n Wild little skinny mascara for my lower lashes. And for the lips, I'm going to be going in with the Wet n Wild again, Wet n Wild Cat Suit liquid cat suit. This is the High Shine lipstick, and it's in the shade, what shade is this? Peach Stole. Hopefully I said that correctly. And then I'm going to go in with my lip liner first, place that down as my base, and then go on top of it with my lip gloss or lip shine, whatever you want to call it. Then I'm going to set my face with the Tarte Stay Spray and apply a little bit more highlight, because you can never get enough highlight in my world. And then this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you guys have a wonderful Valentine's Day. Take yourself out, buy you some flowers, and show yourself some love. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.